I have all of these scraps to make for Scrap Buster Saturday. And let's see what I can make out of all of this, okay? We shall see. So I made a few of these little sticky notepad holders, and all they are, I took some of my scraps and my scrap chipboard, and I just sandwiched it and added a sticky notepad. I purchased these off of Amazon, and they come with pins, and you know, they're cute. They're okay. But anyway, so I did make 4 of these. Okay. And this would be good for a craft show or a neighbor gift or something like this that you know, would want to. I was going to try to fit it in one of the bags from this week, but it won't fit. But anyway, I just, you know, that's what I made. I made these 4, and I still have more scraps left, but I'm done, guys. I'm ready to move on to fall and Halloween, and that's what we will be doing next week. Fall and Halloween. And do you want to see the paper that I'm planning on using? Yeah, we're going to do that. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what I'm using for next month. I'm actually going to follow Carolina's Craft Paper Stash Smash because I need to, because I have too many. But anyway, this is what I made with some of the scraps, and you know, they're super cute. That could be, you know, real cute little $2 item at a craft show or something like that. All right, let me show you what I have for next month. Well, for August. I believe this is August already. Let me show you the sneak peek of some of the paper. So Echo Park had a warehouse sale, and I purchased a bunch of the single sheets. Guys, I got them less than 50 cents because I had a coupon code, all kinds of stuff going on with this. So let's go through. This is the Halloween collection. It's actually Cartabella, and we're just going to do a quick flip through. So here is, but they were less than 50 cents sheet, and then I did get the sticker. This was 90 cents, which I couldn't believe it. And then I had to get 2 pieces of this paper. It's just so gorgeous. I mean, yeah, I had to. And then here's more cut aparts. Oh, I've got 2 of those out. I don't need 2 of those out, but anyway. That's what I have, this Halloween collection. And I thought, yeah, I'm going to try to work with some of it. Not all of it. Apparently, ooh, I've got 3 of those out. And then 2 of the sticker sheets. I don't think I need that. And then I have some Ghosts and Goblins. That's cute. It's very cutesy, not scary. Like the other one was more of a antique type. Not antique. What do you call it? Vintage. You know what I mean? I'm vintage, so same thing. But anyway, that is what I have. And of course, I may try to break into the Pumpkins and Plaid collection. I did get that. But this is the first thing I want to get into is the Sugar Patch from Craftsmith. I have plans for that. And then I have the Oak and Thistle from Michael's, the Craftsmith. And then I did pull in, just for, you know, if I need it, some fall solids. I don't plan on using this all. And then I did pull in some cardstock. So everything's 12 by 12 next month for Paper Stash Smash with Carolina's Crafts. and I am going to try to smash as much as I can. I have a lot to work with. I kind of need that because I get bored using the same old thing. And then I do have, oh, I really want to break into the pumpkins and plaids. Look at the chipboard. That chipboard is so cute. The squirrels and the fox. Oh my goodness. And the hedgehog. Too cute. And then here is the bits and pieces. Look at that little deer, an owl. There's just so many things. And then I do have Ghost and Goblins ephemera. So anyway, that's what I'm going to work with next month, guys. I will see you on Tuesday. We will be doing fall on Tuesday. So I plan on using the Michaels paper pads, maybe, or whatever I'm going to use. But fall on Tuesdays in August, Halloween on Wednesdays in August, and then Saturday I'll take all the scraps and make whatever, it'll be Halloween and fall, depending on the scraps that are left over. And I'm trying to stay on top of my scraps, and it's hard. But anyway, guys, I will see you on Tuesday. We will have a fall project. Have a great weekend. Bye.